Hey guys, RB the Garden Nanny. I am at a friend's home and she wanted a hydrangea. I suggested the quick fire. I love it, so I suggested that. She also wanted some Goldstrom Black Eye Susans, so I got 3 of those and a couple more cone flowers. So that is it right now. I'm gonna put in a ornamental grass a little later, but at this point I'm just trying to figure out layout. This area was cleared just recently, and it's just waiting for something beautiful. So I am going to put out a layout of what I'm thinking it'll look like, and I'm gonna snap them a picture since they're not at home to see if they like the layout. So I put the hydrangea right in the center. There's a powwow raspberry, I believe, and then there's another multicolored coneflower, and then the 3 Goldstroms right there. They'll grow into each other. And you know about working in 3s. The only thing I did not do is get a 3rd for this one, but that's okay. We're gonna just have those 2 over there, and then I can get a grass that I can put over there. We'll start with that. All right, I put the beautiful hydrangea quick fire right here. Let me go out some. Right there, smack dab in the middle. So that will be beautiful when it's in bloom. So I'm going to get with these 3 Goldstroms. I may move them around a little bit. My goal is for them to, like that grass, come in together. So we'll see what happens. I have one of these, and these quick fires get pretty wide as well as tall. So I'm thinking this is enough room over here. All right, I am done with this client for today, but what I wanted to do is come back and get rid of all of the ivy and make this into a bed separate from the grass. So lining it, making sure there's enough room for growth. But yeah, the ivy has got to go. But yeah, they look pretty healthy. They're going to be beautiful as they grow. And this quick fire, I love the different colors that happen throughout its growing season. So that's going to be beautiful. And this client loves Black Eye Susans. So I have 3 big patches here that hopefully will grow into each other and be beautiful. So yeah, let me back up and give a picture of what it all looks like right now. This is the before. And we'll come back and work on the other things I mentioned. And then she also wants a ornamental grass, sort of like this one, but probably a little taller. And I'll probably put that over in that area. So that is it for today. I'll see you in the next video. All right, I am back at this site, client's area, and I am removing all of the ivy. And there's dogs barking. They are not familiar with me, so they're doing their job. So anyway, the ivy is, as you see, this is going to be a long bed. So the ivy goes all the way down to where that is there. Now they did try to put some fencing over here because the rabbits started chewing the black-eyed Susans. So I'm trying to think where the other ones are that I put in here. It's kind of hard to tell. I think this is one right here. Yeah, that's one that's been chewed. And the other right here. So 1, 2, and they got this one covered. So I'm gonna cover these two before I leave with some netting, bird netting. It would have been nice to have something like this, but I don't have that. I'm just gonna put bird netting around it with some staples and hope for the best. This hydrangea is doing well that I put in, and also the coneflowers. I'm surprised that the coneflowers are still standing, but they are. And so, like I said, I'm going to get all of this ivy out manually and go from there. So I will bring you back when I'm done. All right, I am done for the day. We got a couple of more changes that needs to be done. She wants another hydrangea, so I suggested a limelight to put right in this area. I've edged the bed and put in the grass for today. That is I'll show you the grass. I'll put it on the screen. The rabbits have chewed down the black-eyed Susans. This one is trying to do a comeback. I just put netting on these two. And then just watered all the two coneflowers and the hydrangea here. So everything is looking good. The edging on the bed is defining it from the grass, and they're going to put mulch down. So I'm gonna, like I say, bring that other hydrangea and I will be done with this project. And I think it looks very nice. We are in full shade now. It was full sun when I got here. But it didn't take, I think about 3 or 4 hours to do all that. So I think it looks right. Hey guys, this is the last day at this client's, I believe. Unless she adds more, and I don't think she can because these plants are going to need to have the space to grow. But I am back putting in these cages around the black-eyed Susans. And also I got this beautiful limelight hydrangea, and there's a stink bug on there. Go away. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing today, putting in the netting and putting in the cages and also putting in the hydrangea. So I shouldn't be here long, and I will show you what I get done when I'm done. I am done. All right, I am done for the day, and I have the beautiful limelight in that will get at least 6 to 8 feet in height. The grass is in. I got the black-eyed Susans secure from the rabbits. I also put some chicken wire around these two because their holes were a little bit bigger than this one. And she had an extra one, so I put it around this one, this coneflower. And this coneflower, I put a chicken wire around, so they should be fine. Actually, they weren't being touched, but I thought if I've closed the gap on the black-eyed Susans that they were eating, that they would probably go to this. So I just put wire around it anyway. The hydrangea quick fire is going to be beautiful. Everything is going to be so lovely. She's already so happy about what things are looking like, and just wait until they grow. Oh my. So yeah, that is it for this project. And guys, I hope you enjoyed watching. If you like videos like this, subscribe and you will be able to see more of this. And I'll be happy to make them because that is what I do and I love it. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.